So the Great Western Trojan Percy is based on this model engine. That's the info I found on Wiki Fandom, and for those interested in watching how I made this model, the link, I mean, you can watch right here in the corner on top the suggested video, so you can see the process. And this model is Hit Toy Company 2006 if you want to try to make one of these. Also, I have the stickers available. So the stickers are 2 sets of stickers for the same price, in case you want to make it. The link below. I'm making these stickers because there's a lot of people asking me on Facebook, sending me a message that they want to make their own model engine, and I think it's better for them, for them to just buy the stickers and then modify the model engine at home, instead of paying a lot of money. Just buy the stickers. And remember, stickers are only available for US buyers. Now if you're international, again, send a message on Facebook, otherwise I will cancel your order, because the stickers link is only for US buyers. Sorry about that, but that's the way it is. And okay, so again, if you want to make this model engine, you can do it right like I did it, or even you can design your stickers at home. You got to do your research, and you can do it, at home. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and soon we'll have more uploads. Thanks for watching. Over and out.